Not sure which title or thumbnail to use? Try A/B testing, a feature that lets you choose up to 3 video titles and/or thumbnails to test with viewers to help pick your winner. Here's how it works. Eligible creators can use the A/B testing feature through YouTube Studio Desktop when publishing a new video or with an existing video. On the video details page, click the icon under the title or thumbnail section. From here, choose if you want to run a title-only test, a thumbnail-only test, or a title and thumbnail test. For title only, you can add up to 3 different titles to test. Titles must be under 100 characters. For thumbnail only, you can upload 3 different images to learn which viewers prefer. For title and thumbnail, you can add 3 different title and thumbnail combinations. After you've added your titles, thumbnails, or combinations of both, click Run Test. A/B testing is only available for public, long-form videos, and the test will start once you publish your video. Here's how the test works. YouTube will show your chosen titles and/or thumbnails evenly across your video's audience and will select a winning thumbnail based on which one generates the most watch time share. You can check the status of your test at any time by going to the video details page and clicking View Test Report under the title or thumbnail section. You'll see how much time is left for the test and how they're performing. You can also choose to stop the test and manually set one of the options as the winner. If you let the test run, the results may take a few hours or up to a couple of weeks to be finalized. How long it takes to get the results is affected by factors like how similar your titles and/or thumbnails are. The more they differ, the faster your test will finish. And your video traffic, the more impressions that your video receives, the faster your test will finish. Once the test is finished, the test report will show the results. If there's a statistically significant result, you'll see a winner label. YouTube will automatically update your video title and/or thumbnail to this winner when the test is done. You might also see a performed same label. This result indicates that all test options had similar watch time performance. If there's no clear winner, or if the options perform same, the first title and/or thumbnail will be selected and shown to your audience. Remember that in either case, it's ultimately up to you. You can always manually select the video title and thumbnail you want to use. You can also choose to run a new test, but note it will delete your old experiment. Now let's walk through some things to note and best practices for using the A/B testing feature. Titles and thumbnails must follow our community guidelines, and the tool will not work on videos that are designated as made for kids, for mature audiences, or live. Note that great titles and thumbnails serve an important purpose beyond getting viewers to click on. They help a viewer understand what the video is about so that they don't waste their time clicking on the wrong videos. Remember that your title and thumbnail should work together as a team. We highly encourage testing title and thumbnail combinations to find which pairing works best to help viewers understand what your video is about. We suggest testing titles and thumbnails on a limited selection of older videos for initial guidance, then a selection of more recent videos you think will provide the most meaningful insights for your content strategy. We also recommend testing thumbnail variations that explore different layout compositions and changes to thumbnail elements, including background, text overlays, and object placement to learn which resonates most with your audience. Some tips to keep in mind. Ensure your images are balanced with a focal point to direct viewers' attention towards. Utilize high contrast, allowing your subject to stand out against the background in both light and dark mode. With text, remember that fewer words can be impactful, while too much text can be difficult to process while scrolling. And finally, when it comes to depth of field, keep your background in mind and play with blank space. We hope the A/B testing feature will help you gain insights when it comes to making titles and thumbnails and help your overall video performance in the long run. For more info, check out the links below. Thanks for watching.